replacing an entire battery pack. Disconnect the general power cables. Remove the balancing power cables. Remove the communications cables. Disconnect the female connector of the stop valve on the branch liquid cooling pipe from the male connector. Remove the elbow connector from the pack extinguishment port. Remove the PE cable. Unpack the fixtures. Remove binding straps. Take out the PCS fixture. Take out the cabinet connecting rod and battery connecting rod. Hook the lifting lugs of the battery pack fixture. Take out the fixture. Adjust the tightness of the long bolt. Insert the forklift tines into the fixture. Secure the fixture. Remove screws from the battery pack. Install the cabinet connecting rod. Install the battery connecting rod. Ensure that the side with the silk screen faces upward. Lift up the fixture. Switch to position 2. Rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise. Push the drawer handle. Lower the tines of the forklift until the drawer handle comes in contact with the cabinet connecting rod. Switch to position 1. Rotate the hand wheel clockwise. Move the retainer. Install the extension arm. Insert the pin. Rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise. Pull out a part of the faulty battery pack. Pull out the pin. Take out the extension arm. Rotate the hand wheel clockwise to align the hole on the retainer with the hole on the battery connecting rod. Insert the pin. Rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise to pull out the faulty battery pack. Use the forklift to lift the fixture slowly so that the drawer handle is slightly higher than the cabinet connecting rod. Switch to position 2. Rotate the hand wheel clockwise to pull back the drawer handle. Remove the faulty battery pack. Remove the battery connecting rod. Install the battery pack hoisting kit. Hook the hoisting kit. Hoist the new battery pack onto the fixture. Install the battery connecting rod. Switch to position 1 and rotate the hand wheel. Insert the pin. Insert the forklift tines into the fixture. Adjust the tightness of the long bolt. Secure the fixture. Lift up the fixture. Switch to position 2. Rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise. Push the drawer handle. Lower the tines of the forklift until the drawer handle comes in contact with the cabinet connecting rod. Switch to position 1. Rotate the hand wheel clockwise to push the retainer. Remove the pin. Rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise, pull back the retainer. Install the extension arm. Insert the pin. Rotate the hand wheel clockwise to push the new battery pack completely into the ESS. Partially tighten the battery pack screws manually on the forklift side. Pull out the pin and take out the extension arm. Switch to position 2. Lift up the fixture. Rotate the hand wheel clockwise. Pull back the drawer handle. Remove the fixture. Remove the battery connecting rod. Remove the cabinet connecting rod. Install the battery pack screws and use a socket wrench to tighten the screws on both sides. Connect the PE cable. Install the cables and connect the elbow connector to the pack extinguishment port. Connect the communications cables. Connect the balancing power cables. Connect the general power cables. Install the liquid cooling pipes. Store the fixture.